Everything is falling. Nothing is right.
Ali, you are still up.
Yes, Dad. Didn't feel like sleeping.
Look, son, you know you can discuss anything you want. I mean, you look dejected. Is there anything that your father can help you with?
It's not like that, Dad. And I know you have always got my back.
So tell me what you were thinking so deeply. I am all ears, son.
When you look around, nothing feels right. I mean, with each passing minute, you see something bad or wrong happening. Every other person you see is a goon in their own. There is no patience. People unnecessarily honk horns while in traffic. You go to buy something and everyone is ready with their gimmicks to cheat you. Everyone is self-centered, sadly. Why can't we behave? Where are our moral codes?
Son, I am so proud of you being so thoughtful of what is happening around. Look, we can't control everything but ourselves. Do good, and good will come to you. For now I can say, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Come on, it's late now. Go to bed and sleep well. Good night.
Thanks, Dad. Good night.
Hello friends. Let's dive to learn new vocabs. You are still up means awake. Dejected means sad or depressed. You have always got my back means I have your support. I am all ears means I am listening. Goon means someone who behaves like a don or an unprincipled person. Honk means loud noise from vehicle horn. Gimmicks means tricks. Light at the end of the tunnel means a bad situation will end soon. That's it for today. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel Professional Step Up for more content. Thank you!